Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make money on Cash App. It's really easy and simple. First you need to go ahead and open up the Cash App, right? Tap on the Cash App icon, launch the app, log into your account. And then what you need to do is just check for incoming money, right? Check the home screen, see if you've received money. You'll see any incoming transfers listed at the top of your home screen. You just tap on the Activity tab, basically the clock icon, to view a detailed list of all the transactions. And if you're waiting for money, the payment will appear in your Activity tab. Okay? And if you basically see a payment that's pending, just go ahead and tap on it. Just tap accept to confirm you want to receive the payment into your Cash App balance. And if it's a request from a friend, you may need to accept or decline the payment request. And then you just go ahead and confirm payment in your balance, right? Once you accept the money, it will be added to your Cash App balance. Just tap on your balance at the top of the home screen to check if the money has been deposited. And the amount will basically show under your Cash App balance. And lastly, you can either you transfer it to bank or actually just use the money, right? You can use the funds immediately for purchases or transfers, or you can withdraw the money to your linked bank account by tapping a cash out and choosing the amount. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.